Look at Holly, wave to wow. Wow, babe. Wave, babe. Kuya, be careful. Bye, Zach. Ayan si Holly. Ay, baba. Hello, baby. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's the Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Baba. Zachary. Baba, what you doing? Baba. Hang on, TJ. Are you on the horsey? Oi. That one.
Chilling. Oy, we're gonna get dressed. Come on. We're gonna get dressed na, Baba. We're gonna find Daddy. So, nakabihis na kami lahat. We're going to play mini golf. Mini pat-pat. And archery. Dito pa rin around, Adventure Park. Come on, Holly. Holly, oh. Go see Daddy, dali. Diyan kami pupunta, guys. Hey, Holly. Come on! Inihintay lang na pa si Holly. Inihintay lang namin si Jan, tsaka si Joe, tapos mag mini golf na sila. Ayun yung mga bata. Ayun si Holly, oh. Uh-oh! Are you alright? Ah! So guys, kumukuha na sila ng golf stick. Baba! Hi! Say hi! Say hi! Ayaw niya. She's doing really well, guys, kasi umalis kami doon sa bahay, ay doon sa Big 4:11. Time check is 3:20 na, guys. Wala pa siyang milk. Yung mga biscuits lang na pinapakain ko sa kanya, tsaka tubig, and may juice din. Kasi pag pinainom ko siya ng gatas, baka makatulog siya. Wala kaming dalang pram. Ang galing niya, super saya niya maglakad. Gusto niya maglakad. Tapos bira lang namin siyang kargahin, as in. Yeah. Okay, guys, maglalaro na kami. Here you go. Yeah.
Why that just come on first time ever tonight?
Where were you?
Ayan na sila, guys. Hindi na ako sumali kasi papa daw. Gusto niya nung papa. We're just gonna walk. Oh, what's that, Papa? Papa?
Stop.
Okay, one Papa.
Stop.
Okay, Mommy, get your Papa. Gusto niya raw ng Papa. What Papa? Wait. Here, Baba. You guys say? Okay, come on, Mama. Baba. Baba. Wala kaming pram. Lakad-lakad lang si Holly. You love to walk, don't you, Holly? You say yes.
What's there, two of them? Like there's one here, one there.
No.
There's another one.
Oh, maybe. I'm not sure. Okay. Wait, Baba. Up, Baba, up.
What's that for?
Okay, wait. Go walk na, Baba. Let's go. Let's go down. Okay, here, up, come on. Here, down. Go walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go, Holly. Let's go up. No, we're not going there. Go up. Up. 2, 3, 4.
Good girl, Babsy.
Yeah, she's doing well. Nandun yung mga... Hi, Zach! Hi! Zachy! No,
Fine, alright, Zach?
how are you?
Good one.
Holly!
Okay, Baba.
Come on, let's go.
Two, whatever. One.
Look out!
I've seen you, mate. I've seen you.
Wow. Whoops, almost. Almost, Bev.
Hit him, so.
3 for John.
That's where you are.
Naupo na kayo ni Holly. Napagod na kami ni Holly. Holly! Ayun, nag-golf pa rin sila. Baba, come here. Yeah, Papa. We'll see what Mommy got here.
Hold on.
Say, what you gonna say? Huh? What you gonna say? Halik Mama, halik Mama. Lalab Mama, lalab. Maraming halik. What you gonna say? Ta. Ang init. Say hi. Say niya. Say hi. Flying kiss. Flying kiss, flying kiss. Nguso, nguso. Give their nguso. Upo here, Baba. Yes, drink your water, Baba. Wow. This is the nightfall, guys. Okay, let's go, Baba. Let's go find Daddy. Ayun si Daddy, oh, Holly. Okay, walk, walk. Okay, go there. Walk. Good girl, Holly. Pasayaw-sayaw ka pa, ha? Drink your water. It's too hot, Baba. Drink your water. Yan. Wala kaming pram. Lakad-lakad lang kami ni Holly. Oh, not there, Baba. Here. Yeah, what's that? Water. No, that's duck, not dog. Okay, come on. Hi. Napagod na siya. Are you there, Baba? Say hi. Drink your water, Baba. What time is it, Baba? I think it's... Siguro mag-4 na. Come on, you're doing well, Holly. Up na, come on, let's go. Go, let's go. Let's go see Daddy. Come on. Come on. Okay, come on. Oh. Okay. Let's go, Holly. Wow! Tingnan nyo guys, may pa-fall ang mini golf. Karga time. You're doing well, Holly. Karga naman tayo ngayon kasi kanina lakad lang kami ng lakad. Dito pa rin kami sa mini golf. Ayun si Daddy, oh. Dad! Hi, Daddy. Good girl, Holly. Yay! We made it, Holly. Let's go up. Up, up. Come on. Okay, up. Good girl. Go. Go. Whoop. Whoop. One at a time. Whoop. 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 Ayan yung falls, guys. Where's the falls, Holly? Okay, let's go. Andun yung mga boys. Okay, let's go, Baba. Well done. Okay, Baba. Where's Daddy? Daddy! Come on. Well done, Baba. Whoop. Oh, get your hats. Good girl. Stop for Mama. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're almost there. Na yun, last hole. Okay, Daddy.
Hi, Baba.
Done, Holly. Go ahead, Bob, please. Oh.
I'll go get the bag.
Yep.
I'll go get the bag.
Okay. Yes. Did you have fun mini golf?
Yes, Mom.
Yes.
I just went in the water. They was close to the hole.
Close
I
to
made
the hole.
a hole in one.
How many?
Like the last hole.
Okay.
Because
Wow. You're so red now, Holly.
that part.
It was really
Tingnan niyo si
scary
Holly.
because I got hit by water a lot.
May nakuha siyang laruan niya. Oh. Well done, Holly. Ini-entertain niyang sarili niya, guys. Ayan pa, isa pa. Go, Holly. Yay! Careful. Well done, Baba. Yung sarili niya pa yung ginagawa, guys. Oh. Ini-entertain ni Holly yung sarili niya. Okay, let's go. Ano yan? Go, boy. Magra-ride sila sa buggy, guys. Have fun daw. Zachary, look at Daddy.
Alright guys, look at me for a sec. If you look down in front of you, you're going to see two pedals. One on this side makes you go, one on this side makes you stop. Make sure you go up in a big clockwise direction for me. Once you've gone up this side or cut back across, you must come back down the other side.
Do you understand it, Zach?
Pedals for me. Go.
Go.
Blue, go.
Go, Zach. Baby? Hi, Holly. You cannot go there yet, Baba. Hi, Zach. Sumasayaw na naman siya. Go dance! Yung dancing queen natin, no? Come on! Sumasayaw siya. Isayaw mo na lang. Ito naman. Holly here! Wait for Kuya! Come on! Kuya! Where's Zach?
Where's that?
Zach is stuck. Oh, that's...
Go on that next, TJ.
I'm controlling it.
You're flying now. Wow, you're flying now. Wave, Kuya. Wave, Zach. Zach, wave. If you want me to stay
Ah! Go sit. Sit, mate. Sit.
How do you get down, Cody? How do you get down?
Sit down.
Sit na, Holly. It's 4:10 now, babe. Oh my God, nakakatakot naman yan, babe.
Yes, I can go on.
You have to go with all the person. So you have to
Can I
Okay.
do that?
Yeah, you.
Go, Holly. Go, Holly. Look at Holly, Han. Han.
Oh,
Look at Holly.
Sorry.
Oh, you cannot go, Bob. It says no.
Brother. Ollie.
Holly, you can.
Scary.
Boo! Okay, good luck. Good luck, boys.
Here, Ollie.
Yeah, no, he'll have to be with an adult.
There you go, John.
John,
John.
John,
Go,
you have to
Bam.
be on.
Sorry, guys.
go, Beb. Kailangan ni John sumama kasi si Sak. Dapat may kasama si Sak na adult. Good luck, Beb. Yes. Papa na naman. Ayun na sila. Bye! Sak, how is it?
Oh, I want to do one more again.
Finish, mate.
No, one more.
That's finished. That's sharp. That's it. Last one.
That's right, done.
Hey, Bubby.
Done here, guys. Ayan, karga ko na si Holly. Say, bye-bye Adventure Park. Bye. Bye. We had so much fun. Kahit walang pram si Holly. Okay. Bye. Bye. Ito si Holly, oh. Anong oras na ba? Yun lang siya magagatas. Time check is 4:46. Umalis kami 11. Right, Zach? Did you have fun? Yeah.
Love
Huh?
Adventure Park.
You like the Adventure Park?
Yep.
Yeah.
That, Mom, you're never going to play one anymore, okay?
Okay. Why? Tell to the people why. We're not gonna go to the blue slide.
Because it's so dark.
Yeah, because it's so dark.
I only going with an adult with that.
Okay, the other one. Okay.
Plus time 4:20.
It's almost 5 o'clock, Beb.
Look at the air flows through here.
So what do you think, boys?
Oh,
It's cold.
Zach loved the tunnels, didn't you, Zach?
Did you
I like the blue slide. That's cool.
Oh, I don't like that. I couldn't see anything, Beb. It's like
Yeah, and you drop down. Yeah, we went on the did you see that? You drop.
Yeah.
You drop, and it's scary, but I still
Holly.
like that. I like
Hi,
it.
Baba.
I like a drop. I pass it.
No, you can't. Honey, what are you doing?
I went down the wrong one. Fuck it.
So we're gonna close the vlog. Say good night now. Say see.
Bye.
See you on our next vlog. Say please like. Say say please like.
Dad, it's so good.
Pagod na kami.
Weather was good, mate, yeah.
So yeah guys, we had so much fun sa Adventure
I
Park.
went and took half northerly and then.
And Holly, ayan, tulog na siya. So okay. See you guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Say bye kuya.
Bye.
Bye. Zach.
Bye, guys.
Bye dad.
Bye.
Bye. Bye guys. Let's go.
Dad, can we go to the pool tomorrow?
Yes, we are. May kapitbahay na kami guys. So, kahapon wala pa
That's
yung
what Honda has.
house. For another 2 days kasi
Next door has what Joy.
ano na ngayon, Friday. Let's go.
Be who you see, 'cause I think